Here are some more examples of out-of-home that are not highway billboards. We're going to the site of JC Deco, which is one of the largest out-of-home companies in the world. They're based in Paris, but they have a strong presence in the U.S. They have bus shelters in Manhattan. They have most of the airport advertising actually worldwide, which is pretty amazing. So let's see, top 5 campaigns. This is what I wanted to look for. Let me accept, first of all. I haven't been on the site in a little while. And let's see what we have here. This looks like some kind of human being, or I don't know, somebody in a bus shelter or an airport ad. Okay. Here we're looking at some different kinds of things. West Hollywood bus stop ad creeping some people out. Let's see this one. So, okay. 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 We'll look at a few more examples of out-of-home creative. This is the out-of-home creative awards from 2018 in the U.S. Okay. And this is a big one, so it is a bulletin. Let's see, they've got a couple in a row there. Okay, so oh, this is the new name of the TAB. It's called GeoPath. Like I said, that they're trying to be cool. So we're back to, we've looked at creative now. So you've seen some very extravagant, interesting, creative, and this is the Measurement Association for out of home, and it's these associations, whether for print or TV or whatever, are usually comprised of representatives from the out of home companies, clients, and the ad agencies. So now there's another, there are two more associations. This is the kind of the Legislative Marketing Association for out of home. It's the Outdoor Advertising Association. They're based in Washington, D.C. Hopefully we're going to get to their website at some point. So they're selling the concept of out of home. They're also working on legislative issues, and legislative issues are important because a lot of people feel that outdoor, particularly billboards, have environmental impact. And out of home needs to be permitted by cities, particularly. So here's all kinds of stuff here, all kinds of assets here and resources to look at. Okay. There's a new head of this. I actually knew the woman who used to head it. It was amazing, named Nancy Hughes, for years and years. Wow. From the Interactive Advertising Bureau. So isn't that interesting? They brought her in. We'll be talking about the Interactive Advertising Bureau quite a bit when we get to discussing interactive media, because that's the trade association for interactive and increasingly mobile. And I'm going to show you one more association, which is the Digital Place-Based Advertising Association. These are primarily the networks on digital signage. Most of them allow video. They're pretty much all indoors, in gyms and malls and stores and train stations and things like that. They have their own trade association because they're trying their best to, in a way, not really be out of home. They're trying to be a competitor to Spot TV because, as you could see from spending, out-of-home spending is not that huge. So these guys are wondering, is there a way they can take dollars from Spot TV? So let's take a look at a video that they've done. I hope. Okay, let's play this one. Okay, it's pretty short. Hopefully it'll actually play.